Medofo, mame mo akwaba emfa wombra GCN page so. Munyaba address searching me and a magic medra bede and sema etrebu ewo my garden a day ebrel ewo GCN page here. Mr. I am now subscribing to my channel. Fausa mia bell no so. Ube notification. And sema etrebu woman we have been yeti and as open ye biashre ewo GCN page here. Nipa ya okase eye Eric na oka NDC communication team members no na okọ eye dwaso nsem so dwumedie ewo Adom FM na no no de nsem to dwa na o kyerese MPP amayokuo eye party bia o ma surprise Ghana fo papa na surprise o mo de emayen ene say from 2019 ever 2020 na yare ko de wo COVID-19 ebe yiditi ewo o my Ghana na sa yare eba no in fact eyade a abeha omanga na yie papa panya asem keto akra enye Ghana nkwia safa na nyina economy no akoda wanya asem keto akra na eno na Eric say yari eba ye de tie baby na his excellency na nado dan kwaku fado ema you free light free water na ye to abewie 2020 pen na nado SSR tax e de egu omanga na yeso se yentua nsu na light ode che yentua mo tax na ensem we ebe ye bebre Ghana fo akasa ho na de ade se na nado adada ye afensu galamse hu sem na light dum so ekoso o man mu no e dia dance sem people for adada ye na Eric Nisem kemu na o kyerese na do crowd nkeye na be de agiri no vice president no entro o twentro papa enti nkabe ya eye muslim omo akonchi omo echi omo fasting omo eye so omo ye 40 days na nkabe ya nka chief imam oma eye vice president Bawumia Omano 120 days fasting because on a fasting no ye say need no double say ne be ya no kware ka e baba ne because Dr. Bawumia mpe no kware ka e wo memu entro nko a na mechi dollar na gina ho na mechi dollar na hye boto cedi no be kosoro and economy na ade economy ni na so nsem Bawumia kekina ye ho so obi a wo say economy na hye wonsa a wo de utumi eye bibia no ye wo ye nya de ye husu de ehusu ochira nti owura Eric na wo kyese ankabe ya chief imam oma eye vice president nko a 120 days na no fasting no fa ye se ne be ya no kwareka e baba no ne yeti ensema Eric de etuda
and the way is couple
Jim FM
what your mind na wu na mode your mind na sia wo mo de Ghana si konkon so na adehia mo hye yase na mo fu ye mu moja. What is wrong? Penocho oni ade na hu hwi o unwa de papa bia mo ye every sector bia mo de mo sasem mo say no na nra na meteka mu na meti se owura ya anokre kan ya ne din Bawumia wo se akasa bi o se o hwe ne track record na MPP for no kra bon tag so on kanokre o ye liar ya e friend Bawulaya non de chiri wi adura nke wo so mo ye 40 days nke se chief imam man ye 120 days we dig Ghana for them papa because en sama wo kan ye no wo ne de Ghana ekomu ene onam amanfo afiem ese wo hwese Ghana ye kan sen GPS ye adwuma na assemblyman for adwuma na waje a wo ye cedi ate atua dollar ate atua euro ate atua on kasa fasting 120 days ansa Ghana for de ne bone ache no eno ametika mu na metie no mekotia o na West Africa wasi results ne bae no yesen kwada omunya 80s omoye be 460 something emu 400 and something fi Ghana ya yade. If you go to my hometown make us a match minim kwada na omakwa school na akwa aba fie even education sector mpo ya se no you know the reason why Ghana is the only country yetimi koto pass questions be man kwada na assign more questions o munsua na o munkotwero Uji this is a tete president Akufo-Addo and call you president of Ghana today. Uji this a Kwame Nkrumah montete omunya ye no no a sa pon ye de hye nkwada adwene mu a enka de what? Are we building a nation? Ha? Oman ye chechire ne sa no.
Jim FM
Kanena na ye school no na ye competition na ye de work class o. Me nia no di first no next time I was say me twa no. Ono so ye ne target say wo so no so ye den etwa me. What you say? But ene mama adisuan pono akoye se eya aban bi penso e na nkwada pass dodo. At the end of the day Young consider where they are going to be. Until now to be Kwada results. Okita 7 A's. O catch any so control myself on neutral. Adanya or free SHS intino. Sabaya Mwana Manam Passe because the policy and implementation here poor. Are we building education sector? We are in a country and Kwadako school just 1 month and then on Mama Kwamu Kofi. And then on Mokoye. Is that how to build a nation? And we are not thinking of this. Munam Kroma and one man another wrong fans sound no soon see for for problem. O PSC platforms are not the ayasa. No deep birthday need a kekao. Is that how to build a nation? Ah, no run another way. I'm maybe a chemuko. Or ye kumi preku demonstration. And you know. And then one some near canini. At the end of Kofa Kuyam preku demonstration nearby. Or see a devate ba. Or ye demonstration manipa me and Sunday woo ya kwadaba kwano ono mekani dia wonu wonga. And then ono ba or take delight in taxing Ghanaians. Ah, no rekufado na catch say obe movie economy from taxation to production based economy. Where are we today? What are we producing? The so-called one district, one factory, no product, more producing, no market, burn, no more tongue, more yenya bintu.
Echo juice,
no. When was the last time I won't be a Watobianum? Yafabim Ranian Tonomwe. What are they telling Ghanaians? What your my sikana or my nisikana busian for much half for my fat and a Ghana for a bre. Who call me crew, eh? Me crew me free. If you suma in Crocos Sampane, the Secapitano. Minia, in 4 kilometers.
We can to destroy. As long as it's not coming from our camp, we will not agree. Those who were smart enough, they left. Mumbisa Moho say, where is Kwame Ahoy? Where's Atu Ahoy? Those people that the NDC for Nankasano, the real main NDC for no Omo He. Where are they? Why are they not on this journey with you guys? I don't know in our tiada. Because someone will say the current situation or the current state of NDC, is problematic. To me, for me, bibia mani ye. I just yanko kunipa, yanko shiade, yan tiasie, ye per boys. Hey, let's organize boys, no more jama, and the NDC for beba. Ye diobia kokot, ye penipa kakra no ma party t-shirt, and ye kudinechi, NDC for beko. Hey, and so share ho, and yashi, ye beko mufengu and yanko. Hey, sir. Intimodi de biano, we na bukashi, and on there be. Nye na bukashi nkwa NDC enye na bukashi nkwa to da mo mama adwene no enye adwuma mo manyankopon na ni onyam ndadi se mo de na adwene odema mo no be ya adwuma sebe some of you mo wonyansa chen sami jamfi enso sami jamfi be ba be ka asem a kire no wagye adi na no mo na wo de be ya adwuma enkosi da ben mo be kokot afi mo wen ngase eko. When Guasia, I feed the mother to me. Okay. Now, me baha na me bekasa. Na se man can't miss me party as someone. Mr. A. Kwekuado, and hold on who's a president elect. Into my question to NDC people, they say, what was your motive for trying to tell president, say, he shouldn't hold himself as president elect? Were you expecting a power sharing? Were you expecting, say, since that is the case, we will power share until we finally find a substantial winner? I still don't get you guys. At the end of bia, minion way be piano, and say yen tro, and say yen nada, and say ye wickedness, just say like nothing better comes into their mind whenever it comes to the development of Ghana. And so will be bia bonnet. Now, and almost signed the question petition. I'm taking you guys back because Ghana for me who say some of us ye mu bebre no ye yare awiefre idea where ye ho asetina pano e ma ye free ade ntem because se would the sum for 4-5 years na nyame ada roma wo bi aba na se 4-5 years wo te han mu a won ko sum na nyame ama opportunity say koda se nipa ya se we tumi de han ya si wo so from fie 9 na sa wo kokoto abetia na say wo pede odi dum so eba ye ma wo business say ye wo mewu ye yi wo kunadi e adwuma ye yi wo yire di te say hairdressers for barber for wine ice water for ice cream for ni na ho kire omo And these are all people that are in Ghana. And anyone that was in Ghana, sorry, anybody that was in Ghana during the Doomsaw time faced it and knew how devastating the Doomsaw thing was. It is a free sa adie ni muni na afi na sen emfie 920 because na na akufo ado aba wo kan esi so wo light ye adwuma wonya ayi iron de to ade e say wonya light di sua ade enti no owi afi se na wo da sumu a then you mean say we really have to educate and conscientize our people because say yanhwe ni yi a on ebedu brebi no sebe ejimifo ene bedi Ghana so ebedu brebi no wo mo a sebe ye ni sika na mbom power in terms of sika, sorry, omunim nyansa omudibu my name in terms of sika no mo scan womo and ebebedi o mine so sika so sebe endi mine so sika yemfe mbu mine in terms of say so we sikania and no doesn't make you a good government or a good president or a good leader. You might have money and still be a bad management of money. We've seen so many people, I know Muska, but they sound some bad managers into Musika and to me and they and survival or form. We see this day in, day out, day in, day out. Into Seminia, say end this neighbor. Now so see or court. Already know why a press conference say where we need say, where we need say, where we need say. O court ya and no can where you home. I feel who court as well. One Samokra said before court. Na yenyina so ma no what the constitution no to wa ye be twa bebre mu agu and ye ma mo chance say mo mbe amend mo petition ye ma mo chance no menu aba ma ye ma NDC for chance so mo sanko anko amend a o ma ntumi amfa we ni na amba wo instead no o mo kofa e kire kofa ade bia ye friend interrogatories 12 and o mo de